Making everyone happy is our #1 priority. So when someone takes the time and writes us an awesome 5-star review complimenting our great service, we love to share it. Here's what they had to say.
Highly recommend them. Very knowledgeable, professional, and great customer service. Thank you, Papa Lock.
Great reviews aside, we enjoy earning these from everyone, so we want to show you how our extensive experience and superior service can help you. Thanks for watching. We look forward to working with you. Call us today at the number on your screen. Have a great day.